what today's session is based on. आज के सेशन में क्या करेंगे? What are we going to do in today's session? Apps. Okay. So you guys are thinking it today's session will be again implementation based or something? We'll be learning a new AI tool or something? Okay, Diksha, you cannot. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. But no, today's session will be entirely based on discussions and a lot more about AI. What all AI can be. Learn about AI, the notes, the no application, no implementation, कुछ नहीं. आज सब discussions करेंगे. Today is the time where you guys can give the knowledge and you can take the knowledge as well. No? More of discussions, everything. The first question, what is an AI? Everyone. ऐसी definition देनी है which is your understandable, not copy and paste it from your web, no technical heavy words. आप क्या AI से समझ रहे हो? What did you learn in AI? I want that. Manan, I didn't ask you for the full form, my dear. I want to know about AI. What is AI? Not just the full form, bro. The future? Absolutely, Ayansh. Very good. The future. AI is a technique which propels humans. Absolutely. AI is something that does task for you. Yes. It is a tech that helps us. Okay. Which knows everything, whatever human. Yes, absolutely. Okay, good. Good answers. 23 answers must come. I have 23 people with me. Make sure. ठीक है ना? 10 5 आ रहे हैं. I want 10 5 to stay in my session. Rest can leave. Something that my teachers don't like. Huh. Honest answer. Teachers don't like because we always use that to copy and paste somewhere, and we just don't. We just limit our thinking, and we go for it. A platform where we can say a little and it will show more than expected. Hmm? Platform, Prachi Jain, AI is a platform or it's a technology, it's a tech stack. AI is a thing that is programmed to identify human voice and provides assistance to make our daily lives easier. Absolutely. Nice. Listen to our command. Yes, a tool makes us learn technology. That sucks when teacher says that. AI is a tech that helps us. Take it, but yeah, okay. Very good definitions, everyone. That yes, AI is artificial intelligence. The name itself says created by human beings, and where the machines are artificially trained to think like human to make our work easier by doing the work automatically and being trained and programmed on what all data input we are giving. Okay. Is a field of typically intelligence from past experience and pattern recognition. Samriti, I did ask, my dear, that I don't want to copy paste. It is not written from you. You have copy and pasted. Copy paste bro scam, Lakshit. Acha, no matter, it's okay. Very good. Very good for the interaction, everyone. Chalo. Now, how does AI work? Okay, AI is capable of performing complex tasks. Absolutely. Chalo. What is the difference between me, the human being, and the AI? यही बता दो फटाफट से. भाई हम लोगों में और एआई में क्या फर्क है? हम लोग तो ऐसा कॉपी पेस्ट करते हैं जो कोई कर ही नहीं सकता. Vanya told me Samaira is good, but I am going to tell Rian Samaira is not good. That is my copy and pasting. एआई तो फिर भी एग्जैक्ट कॉपी पेस्ट कर देता है ह्यूमन बीइंग से. Yes, Samaira, do you agree? She's saying yes. Emotions, exact definite. AI doesn't have feeling. Absolutely. Feelingless person. Person ही नहीं है पहली बात तो. So things are there. Process once can learn something which we can't do. Absolutely, it's a machine. It's AI is smarter. Smarter बोल सकते हैं, but हम लोग उससे ज़्यादा smarter है. Because we have emotion. The only key difference that human beings and AI is having is the consciousness, right, everyone? The consciousness, the emotions, the feelings, the skills to better understand, right? If someone is trying to share me with the problem, I'm able to understand. I'm not giving logical answers. I'm trying to understand the problem that yeah, the student is having problem or something. It's unnatural. It's a non-living thing. It will not have emotions. And that's what guys, researchers and scientists are working to make self-aware AI as well, where emotions can come into the robots and in AI. Still, the things are in progress. ठीक है. How does AI work? The image is in front of you. Do you agree this is the right flow chart of an AI? Yes, yes. Everyone is saying yes. कैसे? What is the data? To perform anything, do we require data or without data काम चल जाएगा? Manya, your camera is on. Ayan, Sanvi, Shaurya, कैमरा ऑन कर ले भाई. डेटा इज द कोर ऑफ एआई. हाँ कोर है बट कैसे है? We require data is an organized way of numbers and things. You're mistaken, Lakshat. डेटा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ही तो नहीं होता. डेटा को ऑर्गेनाइज किया जाता है एंड देन इट इज बीइंग सेड एज इंफॉर्मेशन. Data is some raw facts and figures, unorganized records that we are having. Suppose मैं कह रही हूँ I have Samaira, Vanya, Prachi, Samaira Navkhare, Swara, Sanvi. ओके. मैंने लिख दिए नाम. कौन है ये लोग? आर दीज स्टूडेंट्स? आर दीज टीचर्स? आर दीज पेरेंट्स? हु आर दे? Until and unless I don't label them as a student and the grade, how will I be able to identify? Right? I have other boys also. The boys belongs to which grade, which school, which are they students? Are they professionals or are they what? Yes, we are student. तो ये लेबल करना है मुझे डेटा के. मेरे पास रैंडम डेटा था, सिर्फ नाम था, बट मैंने उसको लेबल किया कि these are the girl students I have in my 8 p.m. batch. That gives me a correct information, right? So when data is processed in an organized form, it gives us the information, and that's the right definition of data. That data is processed and organized. Unorganized facts and records is what we call as data. Random and useless. No meaning. It doesn't gives you a meaningful, better decision, right? Everyone. ठीक है, clear हुआ? I'll just wait. I'll have to share each image. Make sure that whatever images or content I'm sharing, you guys can save it with you. है ना? ठीक है, ये तो हुआ. अब what is algorithm? सब सब डिस्कशंस हो चुके हैं, फिर से हो रहे हैं. व्हाट इज एल्गोरिदम? एक बहुत ही अच्छा सा एग्जांपल भी मैंने सिखाया था. पैटर्न ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स. पैटर्न. करेक्टेड है अंश. पैटर्न की जगह कोई और वर्ड लगा दो तो वो सही बन जाएगा. बताओ. एल्गोरिदम. सीक्वेंस. एब्सोल्युटली गुड स्वरा. Sequence. Step by step sequence to follow the instructions and the rules is what is recognized as uh, algorithm. Very good steps. It is basically the way by which we do the things in sequence. Absolutely. तो ये algorithms ही होते हैं. अच्छा कोई एग्जांपल दो सर रियल लाइफ की, कहाँ algorithm यूज करते हो डेली लाइफ में और डेली यूज करते हो? Everyone, you guys are using algorithms regularly in your life from morning to evening. But in how? In what way? Cooking. Good, Karai. And what else apart from cooking? When we wake up and sleep. Okay, Shavin. AI. Homework, brushing, bathing, cubes, our meals, go to school, daily routine. Absolutely. Very good, guys. Yes. Daily routine, math, go to school, meal, everything, of course, in eating, cooking. We have a proper steps, right? Without brushing our teeth, we can't sleep if the guys are having habit. Without applying the toothpaste, we can't brush our teeth, right? We have to first take the toothbrush, then the toothpaste, and then we can brush our teeth. Is that so? So that sequence and step-by-step instructions is what we call as algorithm, and that we follow regularly in our life. What is a model? Everything in daily routine. Yes, Tharya. Okay. Next. AI class by Placey Technologies. Shivain, good answer. टीचर का तो नाम लिखो यार. रिया. अच्छा सिर्फ रिया. AI class by Placey Technology by Miss Riya Kalra. Timetable, ma'am, today we are not going to learn about any of website. We are learning about AI only, my dear, rather than any tool. We are learning about AI only, something which is really important. I don't remember the full name. It's okay. At least you can put miss or ma'am na. Replica of something. Kya replica of something? Model is a prototype of the thing. Yeah, good job. Taking medicine is an algorithm right now for me. Okay, Swara. Miss Riya Kalra, ma'am. All right. Thanks, Samriddhi. ओके, तो हाँ, मॉडल एक प्रोटोटाइप है, बट लाइक व्हाट? मुझे सही डेफिनेशन नहीं मिल रही मॉडल की। प्रोजेक्ट्स में यूज होते हैं, ओके, इन प्रोजेक्ट्स, गुड, इन व्हाट? बट मॉडल है क्या? एल्गोरिदम के बाद हमारा मॉडल आ रहा है, क्या है वो मॉडल? फाइनल प्रोडक्ट तो हमारा प्रोटोटाइप तो है, किस चीज का प्रोटोटाइप है? मुझे कोई रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल दे के समझाओ। आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड योर गाइस वर्ड एंड सेंटेंसेस। मैं एक एग्जांपल लिख रही हूँ, टिल देन यू गाइस कैन आल्सो राइट द एग्जांपल। मैंने भेज दिया। The chef is the algorithm, the dish is our model, and the ingredients is our data. Did you all understand now? I want to create a pizza. What ingredients I would need, what data I would require to collect from different sources. I want vegetables, I want some seasoning, I want a pizza bread, some sauces, right? Okay. And my dish will be the model. How dish is the model? Because that is the final preparation thing after applying the algorithm steps, right? And after that, the prediction comes out that the whether my dish is correct, or sorry, whether my dish is tasty or not by being tasted by family members. Is that so? So that is the simple example I tried to explain. So model is not yeah, model is the result of the algorithm. What algorithm is steps are being followed, it is being processed and shown by model, and ultimately we get the result as prediction or the accuracy about a particular thing we are working on. Okay, prediction क्या होता है? Prediction, prediction, prediction something, prediction something का मतलब क्या होता है? It is like assumption, we can make it can or it can't. Absolutely, guess. एक assumption है, एक precision होता है accuracy का कि चीज सही है कि नहीं. The way we predict the weather, the way we predict the class कि कल class होगी कि नहीं, and what not. So those are kind of predictions that we are make. Yeah, the approximately a probability of something to happen. The right definition is probability of something to happen is what we call as prediction. All right, everyone. ठीक है, ये तो बढ़िया है। गुड, 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 गुड। चलो, लेट्स कम टू द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ आर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इन रियल लाइफ। आई वांट आंसर्स विद इन सेकेंड्स नाउ, ओके? स्मार्टफोन्स में एआई कहाँ यूज हो रहा है? एवरीवन बी वेरी क्विक। एआई इन स्मार्टफोन्स। पासवर्ड, फोटोज, सिरी, chatbot, Google to search like ChatGPT, any website. Face ID, very good, Riyansh. Apps like Claude, okay. टच आईडी, फेस आईडी, ये मेन है स्मार्टफोन्स में, सबसे पहले बोलना चाहिए। ये तो एप्लीकेशंस हम लैपटॉप में भी यूज कर रहे हैं, ये तो हर जगह यूज कर रहे हैं। फिंगरप्रिंट, गुड। एआई का मेन तो स्मार्टफोन्स में यही है, अनलॉक करने के लिए फेस रिकॉग्नाइज कर पा रहा है, राइट एवरीवन? फिंगर रिकॉग्नाइज कर पा रहा है, द पैटर्न ऑफ माई फिंगर लाइंस आर बीइंग रिकॉग्नाइज्ड, दैट्स एआई। ऑलराइट, गुड। सिक्योरिटी एंड सर्वेलेंस, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सर्वेलेंस? अंडर ऑब्जर्वेशन, राइट? हाँ, कैमरा इज द एग्जाम्पल, बट सीसीटीवी सर्विलेंस का मतलब अंडर ऑब्जर्वेशन होता है। आप लोग एग्जाम्पल देते हो तुरंत के तुरंत। अच्छा, तो एआई सीसीटीवी में क्या कर रहा है? अगर है भी तो क्या फायदा है इससे? What is the use and what is like, how is it? Illegal action detector. Well done. And security of something particular. All right. Pass to open to watch from far while not being there. वो तो normal CCTV भी करता है. AI क्या कर लेगा उसमें? To alert a person, like in surveillance of cameras. Presence sensor. Yes, presence sensor can be there. It alerts us if something illegal is happening on our phone or something. सिक्योरिटी और प्रोटेक्शन आता है सर्वेलेंस में, सीसीटीवी में, ड्रोन्स में भी आता है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो व्हाट ड्रोन्स आर? देखा है ड्रोन्स? ड्रोन्स या? हाँ, एवरीवन, मी, ठीक है. तो ड्रोन्स में भी एआई लगता है ना, वो जो सेंसर्स है, कैमरास लगाते हैं टू डिटेक्ट रियल टाइम थिंग्स. ओके. इन यूएई दे आर बैंड, आयांश? व्हाई? आई एम नॉट अवेयर अबाउट दिस. It will detect unwanted thing. हाँ बिल्कुल. Yes, it's not allowed. Weird law. But why? And what can, maybe because of the war or something, or it was banned since earlier as well. A very cute boy and a mischievous boy is there behind Prachi Jain. Because they believe it's spying. अच्छा हाँ, वो तो समझ में आ रहा है, but it is good. Not spying always. ऐसे तो spying हर चीज में है. Ayansh, are you happy with this law? We have Ramya Radhakrishnan as well. Hi, Ramya Radhakrishnan. Is it the first session I'm meeting you? This is the worst law. In the participant section. In UAE, people wear spying. Yes, it's the first session. Are you understanding everything? My name is Ria Kalra. I'm an AI instructor, right? I think you were participating in answering the things. Yeah, you have. Okay, good one. Very good. Keep it up. Maybe, and there is only one type of people you can use it. हाँ, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Social media platforms, AI in social media platforms, quick. You noticed too late. So what shall I do, Manan? I shall apologize. Huh? स्नैपचैट, मेटा एआई. और टू लेट में टी डबल ओ आएगा. व्हाट्सएप, वेरी गुड. मुझे व्हाट्सएप सुनना था. व्हाट्सएप तो सबसे बेसिक है. व्हाट्सएप में तो मेटा एआई है सबसे पहले. ट्विटर, इंस्टा, परप्लेक्सिटी, फेसबुक, डिस्कॉर्ड. वेरी गुड एवरीवन. प्राइवेसी सेटिंग्स, ओके. यूट्यूब, फेसबुक, डेली वी सी. सोशल मीडिया, इंस्टाग्राम. ऑल राइट, गुड जॉब. यूट्यूब, यस यस यस. तो यहाँ पे मेटा चैटबॉट्स आते हैं. ठीक है. नेविगेशन. क्विक क्विक क्विक. नेविगेशन. नेविगेशन. नेविगेशन में एआई. गूगल मैप्स. यस दीक्षा. गूगल मैप्स. Maps tells us way. Yes, समृद्धि. Maps kinds of direction. Google Map, map. Everyone. ठीक है, बढ़िया. E-commerce. फटाफट से. E-commerce. Swara, navigation means directions that we use Google Maps to tell us the direction that where we have to go and where we do not have to go. Okay, where traffic is there, where traffic is not there, where short routes are there, long routes are not there, where can you go with the car or you cannot go with the car. Two-wheelers are allowed or four-wheelers are allowed. Is the destination closed or open? Right? Everything that navigation system tells us the complete directions and all those things. With the help of Google Maps, we are able to get it done. Okay. बताओ e-commerce websites. वेरी गुड. amazon. amazon सबका आया. amazon. लेंसकार्ट. हाँ, एवरीथिंग लेंसकार्ट, नायका, amazon. और तुम्हारा मीशो, फ्लिपकार्ट, मिंत्रा, लाइम रोड, पर्पल. लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. वेरी गुड. ये तो ठीक है, ये तो सिर्फ नाम बता रहे हो. एआई इसमें यूज कैसे हो रहा है गाइस? My question is how AI is there in the Swiggy basket, big basket, whatever it is, where AI is being used and how? That is the main question. I'm not asking about simply the application name of the e-commerce. The owner of Zepto graduated from my school. Oh, so you are the next Zepto owner, Ayansh? Can we consider you? The next upcoming Ayansh delivery app or something application. Tell everyone, जो मेरा question है, the question is no one is answering the question. How AI is being used in these e-commerce websites, sending the orders and organizing them. Absolutely. And and yeah, just the CEO of the Zepto in future. Them or even in interior design, taking orders. Orders में है, that is correct. Taking orders or something. But more of what? More of your the interface which shows you up that the delivery partner is here or there or your exact location, the number, and foremost important thing is the customer support page, right? We can talk to the AI chatbots or the AI agents they are having as a customer support things, right? Is that so, everyone? Okay, banking and finance sector. Banking and finance sector, बताओ. How AI comes in banking and finance sector. Like how GPay. That means UPI applications. Okay. And net banking, ATM, phone, GPay, UPI. Surveillance. Okay, good, very good. Samriddhi, stock market, awesome. Stock market is also a very good example of AI. Detect unusual patterns. Okay, good. Transfer transactions, tracking every password and okay. But moreover, again, fraud detection security is there, right? Fraud detection security, investment assistance, stock exchange, lot of things are there. Autonomous vehicles. What are autonomous vehicles? पहले तो ये बताओ. बहुत पॉपुलर है. Autonomous vehicles. Electric vehicles, Tesla, good. But क्या? Self driving vehicles, very good. Self driving is the right word. तभी तो AI पता चल रहा है. Self driven vehicles is what using the making the use of AI, and that's what we are calling them as autonomous vehicles, those who can drive automatically without the physical person. Okay. Smart home. Hey everyone, smart home. Autopilot, auto parking, yeah, good. Smart home बताओ जल्दी से. Fan, very good. Fan, TV. Alexa. Alexa, turn on the fan. Alexa, turn on the TV. Cooler, AC, everything. Yes. Whatever we can connect with the Bluetooth or whatever system connection is there, Alexa controls that. Right, everyone? Voice control. Smart doorbell is also there. Didn't saw it, नहीं स्वरा. समृद्धि सॉ नहीं होगा, सी होगा. डिड के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म आता है, माय डियर. आई हैव सीन समृद्धि, आई हैव read it. No worries. The pop-ups comes no so many times the chat pops up, so the thing is there. Lakshat, you please don't say anyone like that, scammer or something, or a scam or something like that. I'm sitting over here to judge and to say whatever I want to, but just don't. That's not ethical, please. That's not right. Whether it's a girl or a boy. 7 ways AI will affect humans in future. Transportation, we have already know. Education also, robots also, healthcare, police, space, war, everything. Okay. How many of you have, sorry, how many of you have seen live robots? Do you guys have seen robots in your life ever? Live robots, मतलब एक चलता हुआ robot देखा है. How many of you have seen the restaurants, those who are using robots as their waiters? Do you all know? Let me show you that. This is very interesting. Those who have not seen, I have also not visited. I am just wishing to visit such restaurant. We have in South India, we have in Ahmedabad as well, and we have in yeah, yeah. ये तो टोक्यो है।
Served by robot waiters in this Tokyo cafe. Futuristic and cool, yes, but what makes this place so worth a visit is that the robots are controlled remotely by.
दिस इज इन इंडिया। It's lagging. We got it in Surat too. Okay, I'm sharing it then. You guys can open and view it if it's lagging or something. So this is how we have robot waiters, those who are serving and taking orders and even cleaning the uh something like that. In Tokyo, everyone is using that. All right, let's come to this pyramid. In Chennai too, in Surat too. That's what I'm saying. बहुत जगह है, धीरे धीरे ग्रो कर रहा है अब रोबो कैफे. वी हैव इन कानपुर ऑल्सो, in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh also. Ah, whatever, that food treat. I don't, maybe I'm not aware about it. Yeah, you lose money and job, whatever. Yeah. Okay, now we all know what data is, and when we just go for the data, like when we have the data turns into information, right? And acha, what is a knowledge? Knowledge कैसे define करोगे? How you guys identify me as a knowledgeable if I am? बताओ. Ma'am, what if they make us study for 16 years straight, then replace us with AI one day? That's really not. No, 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 no. They cannot replace us. बहुत controversies. There are a lot of controversies on this, but they cannot ever replace us. Make sure these robots are also created by humans. If they are misprogrammed, we the humans and researchers and people and the scientists are only sitting to fix the bugs, to do the maintenance, right? Acha, tell me what is knowledge? Stop giving unnecessary comments. The teacher is sitting over here. Talk to me only. It's like Gyan you have. Okay. So how do you defining that knowledge by the way, Lakshit? We don't say Gyan. Wisdom different है. बताओ भाई, the info we have, so what it is. Yeah, absolutely. The information we have, matlab, at the end, when we make the right use of our information, that is what knowledge is, right? I have the information that I have these many boys and these many girls. Now that is my knowledge. I'll make use of that knowledge and I'll try to give some better decisions and some I'll frame any approach or the idea or the concept in learning the new things in that way. All right? Did you understand? ठीक है. अच्छा, wisdom क्या है अब? What is wisdom then? Wisdom is knowledge. बीइंग वाइज एंड थॉटफुल, वेरी गुड. बीइंग वाइज एंड थॉटफुल. अच्छा, थॉटफुल तो ठीक है. वाइज का मतलब क्या, कैसे थॉटफुल है, कैसे वाइज है? By making the use of knowledge and information, we are wise, right? Wisdom is something where you are making the right usage of your knowledge, the information you are having at right place with right people, right? If I am having the knowledge about AI, but I can't teach you all, then what is the point of my having a knowledge, right? I will not be considered as wise. Wise people are considered intelligent, smart, and what we call in Hindi समझदार, right? हम कहते हैं ना वो बहुत समझदार है. तो समझदार कैसे है? Because he or she is using the right usage of the knowledge of the information at the right time with the right people. Yep. Thanks, Amriti. So this is what the entire pyramid says to us, that how like we can be wise and thoughtful and making the right usage of our data or the information that we are having. ठीक है. चलो next. Okay. How many types of AI do you guys know about? The picture is already on the screen, but yet from your end, what do you think? You are wiser than wise. Oh my God, Shivan. 7. I नहीं अपने अकॉर्डिंग तो बताओ, नाम बताओ शिपिन. From your end, what do you guys know about generative AI? Good, Ayansh. 0. Anyone else? Quickly, भाई फटाफट से. 2. Don't give me the numbers, my dear. Just tell me what type of AI you know about. My mom is in that field. Awesome. Cool. कोई नाम नहीं बता रहा है, सब नंबर बता रहे हैं बस. जनरल एआई. ओके, थैंक्स मान्या, थैंक्स लक्षित. जनरल एआई, जनरेटिव एआई, मशीन लर्निंग, यू taught us. Reactive AI, limited memory, super memory in general. Okay, theory of mind and self-aware AI. देखो, self-aware. Can you think do you guys know what self-aware AI is? And do you really think that self-aware AI is in the market? Self-aware AI is in the market, Lakshit. Please support your answer. सेल्फ अवेयर एआई की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. मार्केट में है. हर्ड अबाउट इट की बात नहीं है. इट्स हर्ड तो मैंने भी किया है. सेल्फ अवेयर अबाउट इज एक्चुअली इम्प्लीमेंटेड in industries and market. Do we have that AI? It is going to come absolutely. Self-aware AI is not implemented in industry yet at all. It is still in developing phase only. The system knows that it exists. It has a sense of identity. It is closer to consciousness, not just the your intelligence. हाँ. ऑल राइट. सो सेल्फ अवेयर एआई इज समथिंग जिसमें इमोशंस आते हैं, कॉन्शियसनेस आता है. अभी करंट इंडस्ट्री में देखो, व्हाट एग्जिस्ट टुडे इन इंडस्ट्री इज योर गूगल जेमिनाई, चैट जीपीटी है, आईबीएम है. दीज आर नॉट सेल्फ अवेयर. चैट जीपीटी सेल्फ अवेयर है? चैट जीपीटी को मैं डांट दूंगी, क्या वो बुरा मान जाएगा? फिर अगले प्रॉम्प्ट में मैं लिख दूंगी यू आर सो नाइस, वो कहेगा थैंक यू. यप. यस और नो गाइज. दैट्स व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपेंस. सो दे सिमुलेट द अंडरस्टैंडिंग, दे डोंट एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंस इट. वो भी मेरे शायद प्रॉम्प्ट्स के हिस्ट्री के बेसिस पे मुझे शायद ऐसा जवाब देते, बट ही कैन नॉट फील द थिंग. People think AI is self-aware, but they don't. But it's not. It can only hold the conversations. It write creatively. It is having a history memory. It analyzes the motion, but it is not the illusion of awareness. नहीं है. अभी तक मार्केट इंडस्ट्री में प्रूव नहीं हुआ है सेल्फ अवेयर एआई. इट इज अगेन ट्रूली कॉन्शियस. इट इज स्टिल थियोरेटिकल. अभी भी थ्योरीज में ही है, जो भी है, व्हाटएवर, चाहे कुछ भी हो. ठीक है. सो वी हैव दीज 7 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एआईज एंड मेनी मोर. बहुत कैटेगरीज हैं एआई की, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट रिस्पेक्टिव सिनेरियोज में. लाइक वी हैव नैरो एआई, जनरल एआई, सुपर एआई, और रिएक्टिव है, लिमिटेड मेमोरी है, थ्योरी ऑफ माइंड है. एवरीथिंग इज लाइक दैट वे इज वर्किंग. ठीक है. सो Give me a minute, guys. I need to get some water, please. All right. Thanks for waiting. ठीक है. Next. These were the kinds of AI we were having. इसके अलावा भी 3 कैटेगरीज है एआई की. एएनआई है, एजीआई है और एएसआई. इसके बारे में तो सुना होगा. यू गाइस माइट हैव हर्ड अबाउट एनी वन ऑफ देम मे बी. एएसआई, एजीआई एंड एएनआई. बताओ. How many of you have heard and what all you have heard about? AGI, AGI के बारे में. Yeah, fine, fine. It's okay, no problem. So we also have these 3 categories of AI with us, where the artificial narrow intelligence is there, the models which are designed to be specifically focused and do not have capacity to learn. मतलब अगर उसको मैंने ट्रेन कर दिया है सिर्फ लंग डिजीज के लिए तो वो सिर्फ लंग डिजीज पे ही वर्केबल रहेगा. The model is not that much efficient that if I'm trying to put another data set, maybe it will not be able to go ahead with different predictions. Then we have AGI. AGI में कहता है Artificial General Intelligence, where the humans are able to mimic the basic human thinking. Like, मतलब क्या? Human thinking is matching, right? Human thinkings are for sure matching and mimicking. And we do have that thing to participate in with. ASI, Artificial Super Intelligence. Super Intelligence is again a theoretical model, aspires to surpass the capacities. Now, what happens? Capacities are being surpassed of the human beings. कि जिस capacities है human mind के अंदर vast quantities of data and knowledge है, उस quantity में वो लोग भी काम करें. That is super intelligence. मतलब कोई limit ही नहीं है. जितना आप दो उतना वो ट्रेन कर पाए, चाहे वो बिलियंस में हो, चाहे वो ट्रिलियंस में हो, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो. राइट. I don't know, my school doesn't teaches letters, numbers. I study German. Are you Germany? No offense. I don't know, bro. What is this rubbish going on in the chat? I don't understand. I'm teaching AI here. They're discussing about something really different. Shivain, Lakshit, you can please leave the session. You can have a conversation personally. Okay? How does it matter, Lakshit, if he is a German or he is from Germany? Huh? And why are you mentioning, Shiven, that you study German or whatever? You please talk to me. I'm here. For now, we are studying AI. Even I am a French speaker. Even I know French and Spanish. I thought doubts would be popping up continuously. The messages are being popped up, popped up, popped up. Examples. What examples, Diksha? Acha, AGI, ANI examples. What do you think AGI, ANI examples can be? I said thank you in German and they started asking. All right. Whatever, my dear, that's what I'm saying. Please focus here, no? Talk to me. Why you guys are talking among yourselves? अच्छा बताओ ANI के examples बताओ. All right, forget it. Examples of ANI, bro. मैं लिख दे रही हूँ. चैट जीपीटी, गूगल मैप्स, ठीक है, सिरी, टेस्ला. These are the examples of ANI. ठीक है. If I talk about AGI is OpenAI that we are having. DeepMind. ठीक है. ASI, आर्टिफिशियल सुपर इंटेलिजेंस, दिस इज प्योरली थियोरेटिकल. इसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं है. ये सिर्फ थ्योरीज में लिखा गया है. तो थ्योरीज में लिखे जाने वाले भी हमारे पास हैं, स्काईनेट एंड जार्विस. ऑलराइट. These are some of the casual examples of ASI, AGI, and I we are having with us. टिक नेक्स्ट. ये भी टाइप्स ऑफ एआई है. डीप लर्निंग है, मशीन लर्निंग है, कंप्यूटर विजन है, एआई है, एजेंटिक है, एक्सप्लेनेबल है, इमोशन है, रीइंफोर्समेंट है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. लॉट एंड लॉट मोर थिंग्स आर देयर. ऑलराइट, लेट्स कम टू द फाइनल डिस्कशन. क्या लगता है, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक दैट लर्निंग दिस एआई विल मेक यू हाउ मच वर्थ पर्सन इन द मार्केट विद व्हेन यू विल स्टैंड विद दिस नॉलेज एंड स्किल्स? जब आपके हाथ में ये स्किल्स और नॉलेज होंगी आपके रेज्यूमे में, व्हाट यू गाइस आर थिंकिंग, व्हाट विल बी योर वर्थ पर मंथ? 1 lakh. Okay, Riyansh. And yes, guys. Good guess. The most useful thing in the future. Shivan answers are beyond the box. Shivan is saying 999 endless 9 per month, Shivan. More than 1 lakh. It will make worth as an AI software engineer, which is pretty good. Absolutely good answer. 2 lakh at least. Okay, at least. फाइन. सो वी हैव सम सिनेरियोज विद अस. ये तो 2 साल पुरानी इमेज है. मैं 2 साल पुराने का इसलिए दिखा रही हूँ सो दैट यू गाइस कैन इजिली इंटरप्रेट एंड गेस द टाइम फॉर टुडे एंड द कमिंग फ्यूचर. 12 lakhs, 8 lakh, 12 lakhs, 14 lakh, 12 lakh, मतलब पर मंथ के हिसाब से आराम से 1.5 lakhs, 1 lakh से स्टार्टिंग हो रहा है. ये सब फ्रेशर्स के पैकेजेस हैं. ये उनके पैकेजेस नहीं है जो एक्सपीरियंस जो 10 साल के, ये सब फ्रेशर्स के हैं. द वन दोज हु हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड. We have lot many opportunities. Data scientist बन जाओ. We have lot many domains inside the AI. Machine learning, AI research, robotics, computer vision, ethicist, product, data engineer, NLP, anything you guys can be, anything. जो बनना है वो बन जाओ AI के डोमेन में. Whatever thing particularly you want to command in, you guys can command and have expertise in and go ahead. ये भी कुछ सिनारियो है सैलरी का. ये सिनारियो यूएस बेस्ड है. फ्रेशर्स के लिए 2 to 4 years जो है. ये भी पुरानी पिक्चर है, अभी तो कोई और ही होगा. लेटेस्ट $137. आई हैव सम ऑफ माई recent connections also, those who are actually earning 3.5 lakh per month. 3.5 lakh per month, or they have really good expertise. They were my seniors actually, but I am connected to them on LinkedIn. So I get to know some of them are in US, some of them are in France, and one is in Bangalore and the other is in Hyderabad. So they are integrated with some very good like your MNCs. अब ये डॉलर्स को INR में कन्वर्ट करो, then it will be a very handsome amount, right? So they must be rich. Obviously, they are. We are also rich. We will be become rich. Yes. You guys are future engineers, only future AI engineers. I am waiting for everyone to grow up quickly and be something in the market so that I can say that yes, these are my students. है ना भाई? The way Ayan said that Zepto is passed out from his school, I will also have to say that my fellow students have passed out from my batch. है ना? All right. So we have this. All right. So, okay, everyone. So that's all for today's session. If you guys are having any doubt, question, how's the session? Was it interactive? Anything to say, ask. You guys are good to go. Thank you, thank you. Good, good. कोई questions है तो पूछो, बता दो. If anything you want to share, it's all about give and take. हाँ भाई, पर मंथ पे जाता है सब कुछ. मैं कहती हूँ पर मंथ जाता है. पर मंथ बढ़िया ये लोग हैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस लोग. बाय आई गेस. ओके. Good. Hey Bhagwan. It's okay out of the box, but I had 4 songs from Suno AI today. Oh, that's nice. Very good. ऐसे ही आप देखो practical implementation जितना करते रहोगे, you guys will be able to explore AI tools, right? More and more good things happens. I mean published. All right. Okay, bye everyone. Good night. Keep exploring, keep learning. Okay?